In today's video, we are going to learn how to use CoinMarketCap investing or trading cryptocurrencies. This platform is a platform that you need to understand how to use or how to navigate if, say, you really want to invest or be in this cryptocurrency industry. If, say, you get this in your fingertips, like understand fully how to use this platform, it's going to help you to make decisions, to know when to buy certain cryptocurrencies, help you to know when the market is going down or when a particular coin is down, or maybe you want to look for recently added coins, or maybe you want to check out different crypto contracts. So CoinMarketCap will help you, go through all this before you can decide to press that buy button. So this is what we're going to discuss on today's video. You are welcome back on the Buttons Crypto. Yeah, I create content about cryptocurrency. I try to help you to do the right thing investing in this market. But of course, I'm not a financial advisor. All I do here is educational purpose only. So you want to make sure you go and do your own research before you dive into any of these. And if you say this is your first time here, you want to go right now and smash the subscribe button. I'm going to create more content about this and other crypto project out there that might help you to make massive reward. Let's dive right away to what I got for you guys today. Now, this is the interface of CoinMarketCap. If say you don't have their website, go to coinmarketcap.com. Coinmarketcap.com. And now, when you are in, this is how the interface looks like. You can see here it says cryptocurrencies. From their ranking, recently added categories, spotlight, gainers, global chart, historic snapshot, overall NFT stats, top collections, upcoming sales, the experts, chain ranking, product. They have so many stuff here that you can find in the crypto space. I'm going to help you as you invest in cryptocurrency. Now, what is CoinMarketCap all about? CoinMarketCap is a popular online platform that provides real-time data and information about thousands of cryptocurrencies and tokens. It was launched in 2013 and has since become one of the most widely used resources for investors, traders, and enthusiasts who are interested in the crypto industry. CoinMarketCap tracks the prices, market capitalization, trading volumes, and other key metrics for cryptocurrencies and tokens, and presents this data into a user-friendly format on its website and mobile app. It also offers various educational resources and tools to help users stay up to date with the latest development in the crypto market. So in a nutshell, this is all what CoinMarketCap is all about. If say you want to look at recently added coins, what you need to do is go to cryptocurrencies. You're going to see from ranking, you're going to see here recently added coins. You click on it, it's going to take you to the page of recently added coin. These are new coins that are like new cryptos that are in the market. So if say you want to maybe look for the next BNB or the next Dogecoin, you can come here, place your bet. Then maybe if say you find something sustainable, good, but this is more of risky. So if say you want to embark on this, make sure you have high risk management. I'm going to be doing videos on how to go about looking for the best coins, from this recently added coin list. But of course, I'm going to first of all teach those of you who are in my group. So if you want to be part of my group, to get this before anyone else, then make sure you go below this video. There are links there for you to connect with me. Now you're going to see also here that we have exchanges. You can see spot exchanges, derivative, and DEX. With spot exchanges, you can see the different platforms that you can trade spot with. We have Binance, Coinbase, Kraken. And if say you want to trade derivative, again, you can click on it. They're going to show you the top platforms where you can trade derivatives. You will see Binance, Bybit, OKX, KuCoin, Deribit, BitGet, Bitfinex, all this you can trade derivative. Then if say you want to trade on DEX platform, you can click on that. It will show you different DEX out there. You can see DDEX, Uniswap, Kin Protocol, Curve Finance, Uniswap, PancakeSwap. DEX means decentralized exchange. So if say you want to trade on decentralized exchange, then you can go to these different platforms that you see here and go to the different products. You can see Converter, you can see Blockchain Explorer, you can see free airdrop. So if you are looking for free airdrops, you can click on that. You're going to see different airdrops that are available out there in the market at this moment. There is not yet any airdrop. You can see here this airdrop has ended. Every platform has its own model in which they go about distributing airdrop. I think these guys have their own model in which they do that. So make sure you stay on this. Okay, you can see overview, ongoing. Let me see. So we have some ongoing here. No, upcoming airdrop. You can check all this here. No, ended. Yeah, we can see a lot of it has ended already. So if say you are looking for that, then you can go to that page. If say you want to learn more, you're going to just hover on this learn. You're going to see here news, Alexandria research videos, glossary. So all these are on different areas or different sections on this platform where you can get materials to learn more about cryptocurrencies. But with me, what I usually focus on is to look at different cryptocurrencies, look at their data. Let's say, for example, you saw a new coin that you want to check on. Just click on the coin. You're gonna open. You're gonna see everything about them, from their market cap, circulating supply, fully diluted market cap. You're gonna see everything here about the coin that you want to invest in. For example, you're gonna see links to their community on Twitter, also on Telegram. Like, you can look for the contract address here. For example, let me show you guys. Let's just go to Dogecoin. So let's say, for example, I want to buy Dogecoin on PancakeSwap, or like PancakeSwap is a DEX platform. Let's say I want to buy Dogecoin from PancakeSwap. All I need to do is come here, click on Dogecoin. You're gonna open. You're gonna see here where it says contracts. Make sure you copy this contract. Usually we have different contracts here. The Ethereum chain. We have also Polygon. We have different blockchains out there. You might want to buy a token that is found on the Polygon network. So you can come here, look for the contract address here. But as it stands here, this is for BNB, like Binance Smart Chain. Copy this address, take it to PancakeSwap to upload Dogecoin to PancakeSwap before you can buy it. Always make sure you verify the contract address by coming to this platform to get it. This is where you can get authentic contract address. If say you don't do that, you might end up maybe being vulnerable to scammers. So don't do that, right? So I make sure I click on this, look at all this, then look at past year to date, like how the coin have performed. You can see Dogecoin. Look at the upside. Look at where it is right now. It tells you that okay, there's a lot of trade going on with this project, and you can see also the market cap is huge. 10 billion, more than 10 billion. So it means there's a lot of people holding this token, and you can scroll downward to look at the different exchange that this token is listed on. And if you want to read more about the token, you can, for example, you can see here what is Dogecoin. Guys, there's a lot of data here when it comes to this platform. It gives you almost everything, full details about the project, what it's all about, the development, the team, tokenomics. A lot of information that you can get, and you can see also the different exchanges that you can buy this token from. You can buy it on Binance, on Coinbase, on Binance KuCoin. So these are the different platforms where you can buy Dogecoin. Guys, this is just an example. This might not be Dogecoin for you. Maybe you want to buy one cat coin, or one Dash coin, or microphone coin, or beton coin. You can just come here over it to get more information about the token. And if you want to look at the ranking, you can click here. You'll see the different ranking. Bitcoin is the top. If you want to see trending cryptocurrencies, you can see here these cryptocurrencies are trending. FTX token, wow, it's trending. Bitcoin, Shiba Inu is trending as well. You can see here recently added coins. All of them are found here. Top community account. You can see also here. And if you want to see more of the trending coin, you just click more. It's going to show you all the coins that are trending. The top 30 trending coins. You're going to see it. And if you look at these coins here, it can help you to make decisions as to maybe buy it, hold it short term or long term. When the coin is trending, it's either it's about to pump, or maybe it has already pumped. Right, so look at these coins here for the past 24 hours, the past 7 days, past 30 days. If you say nothing is really happening, then maybe you can buy it. But if you say something is already happening, then in this case you don't have to buy it. Just wait for pullback before you can buy the token. Like, for example, you can see crypto GPT is up 229% for the past 30 days, right? And for the past 7 days, it's up 164%. And when you look at also the top here is what FTX token for the past 7 days is up 37%. Bitcoin for the past 7 days is up 31%. So you can see these coins are trading either by their volume or by their market cap, or by percentage. So a lot of factors cause this different cryptos to be among the trending list. So make sure you look at it properly before you engage in it or before you decide to buy. Guys, this is how you go about using Coinmarketcap to trade cryptocurrencies, to invest in different cryptocurrencies, and this will really help you as you embark. A lot of data can be found on this platform. Every cryptocurrency that is listed in the crypto market always come to CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, because these are the platforms where most people go to look for new tokens before they can buy. So if, say, you want to buy a particular token, you make sure you go there and look at the volume, look at all the data I try to show you. You can even play with the platform so that you can learn more on your own. What I've shown you here is just up. Make sure you go deeper to understand. If you say this content was helpful to you and you want me to keep creating more of such content, then you know what to do. Go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Until then, guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.